Hey everyone, welcome to an exciting journey that could change your life forever. Thinking about living in Italy? Imagine strolling through scenic streets, visiting iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, and enjoying the serene countryside. Well, AukSun has something awesome for you. It's a program designed to make your dream of living in Italy a reality. Introducing My Second Home in Italy Do-It-Yourself program, or M2HI-DIY. This comprehensive guide is your ticket to a seamless relocation. Imagine moving to Italy with all the guidance. Sounds great, right? No more headaches, just pure excitement and adventure. With M2HI Do-It-Yourself program, you can move to Italy step by step, all on your own. It's like having a personal online guide who knows all the ins and outs. No helpers, no extra fees, just you and a simple online program. Here's how it works. You follow clear, easy-to-understand lessons that cover everything. The M2HI-DIY program has three main parts, and you can pick whichever one you need first. It's all about flexibility and convenience. First, there's the M2HI Visa to Italy DIY. This part of the program helps you get your visa without any hassle. Make your visa application all on your own. From understanding the requirements to submitting your application, it's all laid out for you in the DIY. From knowing what you need to sending in your application, it's all there. No more guesswork, just clear steps to follow. Next, if you want to own a home in Italy, the M2HI Property Purchase in Italy DIY is for you. This guide will walk you through the entire process. Learn how to buy a house, even those affordable €1 houses you've heard about. Yes, it's possible, and we'll show you how. Learn who can buy them, how much they cost, and even about special discounts from the government. It's all in the DIY online program. Finally, if you want to start a business, the M2HI Business Setup in Italy DIY will help you. This part of the program is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. From the rules to the best ways to do things, you'll be ready to start your business in Italy. It's like having a business mentor by your side. Moving to Italy is more than just these three things. It's about embracing a new culture and lifestyle. Our DIY programs cover much more. From landing in Italy to understanding the local customs, we've got you covered. Learning Italian, understanding the rules about moving, and even figuring out healthcare. We help with it all. It's a complete do-it-yourself package. You'll also learn about renting an apartment, working in Italy, paying taxes, and even moving your family, all online. Need a driver's license or health insurance? We've got that too. No stone is left unturned. From opening a bank account to finding schools, M2HI DIY has it all. And guess what? It's all designed to be user-friendly. These programs are regularly updated by AukSun team. You'll never be left behind. You'll always know what you're doing. Confidence is key, and our programs ensures you have it. Our DIY programs are just as good as our in-person assisted programs, but they cost much less. It's a smart choice for savvy movers, and if you don't have the time to do it yourself, you can always switch to the AukSun Assisted Program. Flexibility is our middle name, so what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is just a few steps away. Save time, energy, and money with M2HI-DIY. It's the most efficient way to make your Italian dream come true. These programs were made by people who have moved to Italy themselves, so you're getting the best advice, real experiences, real solutions. Ready for your Italian adventure? The journey of a lifetime awaits you. Click the link below to learn more and start today. Your new life in Italy is just a click away. Celebrate life and have a great trip. We can't wait to see you in Italy. Ciao!